And our John Genovese is joining us this morning with a closer look at the changes this year and how to make sure your vote counts. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Kelly. And there's a good chance most of us have at least heard bits and pieces of this before, but the next few weeks are really going to fly by. And whether you vote by mail or in person, every voter needs to understand the process.
2020 is just so different compared to any other year.
Add together a pandemic and contentious election cycle, and that's probably still an understatement. If you want to vote on November 3rd, Monday is your last chance to register. No matter where you live statewide, you can check your status at my.arizona.vote.
Do that as soon as possible.
And for those in Maricopa County, Elections Department spokeswoman Erica Flores says BeBallotReady.vote is an even easier way.
A lot of people, they registered a long time ago, so make sure you go and you visit those websites.
As for mail-in ballots, unlike what you may have heard elsewhere,
we do not send out early ballots to anyone who isn't registered to vote, and you also need to request a ballot by mail. So we will not be sending out ballots to every address or every home.
When you register, you can request a mail-in ballot for just this election or opt to be on the permanent early voting list and receive a mail-in ballot for every election you're eligible for. They'll start being sent out on Wednesday. The last day to request one is October 23rd, and the last recommended day to mail it back is the 27th. But after that, you still have options.
This year, we will have drive-through locations where you can stay in your car, just drive through, and then drop off your ballot in a secure drop box.
And unlike 2016, whether or not you receive a mail-in ballot, you can go to any voting center countywide to drop off or vote in person. There's a list on locations.maricopa.vote. They open Wednesday and will stay open through Election Day with health and safety precautions in place.
There will be locations open that are large enough to practice physical distancing. Poll workers will be wearing face shields, masks, gloves, and then gloves and masks will be offered to voters as they come in.
John Genovese, ABC 15, Arizona.